in this problem here, we're going to you have 4 light bulbs. Some of them are hooked up in parallel. One of them is hooked up in series with those that are in parallel. And we're going to try to figure out what happens to the brightness of these light bulbs when this switch S opens up. Okay? So when this switch S opens up, I draw another circuit under it, and this circuit represents 1 and 3, light bulbs 1 and 3, and 4. So 4 is still here as a resistor, and this is the equivalent of 1 and 3. So I put 1, 3. So I'm going to see what happens to the to the current, the voltage, and once I figure that out, I can figure out the power and figure out which one is going to get brighter. So the higher the power, the brighter the light bulb. So when I open up this switch, this REQ should get higher. And the reason for that, if you remember, you have less paths, right? So for current to flow, which means your flow is not going to be good. You can also look at it like we did in the past. As you add more resistance in parallel, the overall resistance goes down. But the reciprocal is true. You remove a resistor, your equivalent resistance goes up. So if this resistance goes up and this stays constant, the current in the circuit should go down. So the current here in 4 goes down. And if the current goes down and the resistance of this stays the same, and we know that V equals IR, so R is constant, the I went down, so the V has to go down for 4. Well, if I goes down and V goes down, P goes down, and light bulb number 4 is not as bright. Another one that we can do quickly, light bulb 2 is out. It's got nothing going through it, so 0, 0, 0, and there's no brightness. Now let's see what happens to 1 and 2. If the voltage here drops, okay, and this voltage here is constant coming out of the battery, it just means that this voltage goes up because this one drops. Okay? So if the voltage here increases, the voltage across the equivalent resistance is the voltage across each one of these light bulbs. So the voltage here goes up, and the voltage here goes up. So we can do that for 1 and 3. If the voltage goes up, again, we can go back to V equals IR, our best friend. If V goes up and the resistance here stays constant, just means that I goes up. So I goes up in 1, and same reasoning in 3. So I goes up, V goes up, power goes up. Okay? And the same thing here. And if the power goes up, this gets brighter, and this one gets brighter. So in this circuit here, if you open switch 2, this one gets dimmer, and these two get brighter. And you can put a switch at 3, you can put a switch at 1. If you want to play with this, you can leave that alone, put a switch around at 4, and you can see what happens. And that's all I have to say about this one. So this is another short one.